Hello, my name is Luna. Today I'm going to read a book about parrots, special birds. There are many interesting birds in the world, and parrots are among the most amazing. What makes parrots so special? Pretty birds. Many parrots are beautiful, with bright feathers in one or more bold colors. Parrots can be green, blue, yellow, red, or a mix of many colors. They can also be black, white, or gray. They can even be pink. Smart birds. Parrots are super smart, like humans, apes, and dolphins. Parrots' brains make up a big part of their bodies. Large brains give parrots the ability to learn, remember, and reason. Scientists have studied some parrots that are smart as children in kindergarten. Talking birds. What parrots are known for, however, is their ability to learn and mimic sounds. Many parrots can repeat words or sounds they hear. Some parrots can even speak using hundreds of different words. African gray parrots are famous for their speaking ability. Some African grays can tell jokes, count, and correctly name shapes and colors. Some of them can even speak in more than one language. Do you know humans use vocal cords to talk, but parrots don't have vocal cords. Parrots have to change the shape of the walls of their throats to speak. What makes a parrot a parrot? There are more than 350 different kinds of parrots. The three main groups of parrots are true parrots, cockatoos, and New Zealand parrots. Although parrots come in many different shapes and sizes, they are all alike in some ways. What's in a name? Parrots include many different birds, such as Amazon birds, African birds, macaws, parakeets, including burglars or budgies, parrotlets, conures, lories, lorikeets, lovebirds, cockatoos, cockatiels, cockas, cockapos, and keys. Parrot beaks. Almost all parrots have large curved bills with a pointed upper half and a short, strong lower half. Parrots are sometimes called hookbills because their upper bills are shaped like hooks. Strong bills allow many parrots to crack open nuts and fruit that other animals can't. Parrots also use their bills to hold objects, clean their feathers, and help them climb. Parrot toes. All parrots have 4 toes on each foot, with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backward. They use their feet for climbing, cleaning their heads and beaks, and grabbing and holding objects. They are the only birds that hold their food in one foot while they eat. Do you know because they have toes pointing both forward and backward, parrots are good at hanging upside down. Some parrots, known as hanging parrots, even sleep upside down.